afternoon, everyone. The PLAB journey is so difficult, right? Wrong. I'm here to tell you quickly about why you can complete the PLAB journey without any great difficulty, without any major hiccups, and why you should be and could be sat here in the UK working in the best free at the point of access healthcare system in the world. Reason number one, tens of thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands of doctors like you, exactly like you, with your qualifications, with your experience, with your skills, with all that you are worried about yourself and worried about your previous roles and all your anxieties about the future and everything. Tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, have completed this journey. So if they can, why can't you? That's reason number one. Reason number two is, despite what you might have heard, despite what so-and-so said or so-and-so did, or they sat this exam this many times and failed, or stopped at this stage or whatever, I am telling you here as somebody who knows the PLAB curriculum inside out that this is not a difficult exam for you. You have passed medical school exams before, you have done perhaps even some postgraduate exams which are way more difficult than the PLAB exam. The PLAB is a very basic licensing exam. Just to remind you, it's at the level of somebody who is starting FY2. That is somebody who has graduated and done a 1-year internship, which is what you might call it in your country, in your healthcare system, or the foundation year 1 training. That is it. That is the level that is being assessed. It's not a difficult exam at all. All you need is some guidance, some mentoring, and a little bit of hard work. So you sat there wishing and dreaming and thinking about a future life somewhere else, somewhere where you will be appreciated and have a fulfilling career. So what do you need to do now? All you need to do is visit our website, get in touch in any of the other means that you can see throughout the video or at the end of the video, and speak to us and our team and let us guide you and advise you and tell you how you can begin this journey and complete this journey without any difficulties whatsoever. Hope you're having a great day, guys. Stay positive, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye-bye.